What's up, y'all? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm just going to give you a quick run through on Opal, talk a little bit about how I use it in my daily work and some of the tasks that I'm doing. I'm a web developer, digital advertiser. I've been doing this kind of work for about 20 years now. So I'm all about new tools that incorporate artificial intelligence, and tools that make my job easier. Well, in some cases it's easier. It's still very complex. You still need to know exactly what the outcome is. But yeah, I've been doing this sort of thing for a long time. And I'm going to start talking about some of these tools and methods and strategies and tactics that I use in my digital marketing agencies, digital advertising, Google Ads, Meta Ads, media creation, that sort of thing. So smash that subscribe button and keep an eye out for future videos like this one. Okay, so we're in Opal. Opal is developed by Google. It allows you to build, edit, and share many AI apps using natural language. AI is an arms race right now. Anyone who's anyone in the web development or digital space is leveraging AI tools or providing AI tools. And Google is no different. Google, Meta, just about anybody that's in the space, right? We're all using AI. So this is kind of Google's answer to some of these AI vibe coding app generators that have been popping up. And of course, Google is awesome. And once this starts expanding, you're going to want to know how all this works, right? Once they allow you to go from many AI apps to full scalable applications that you can leverage for your business or organization, you're going to want to know how the ins and outs of Opal work, right? Because it's going to scale up on this platform. So in this video, I want to tell you a little bit about how I use it and how I use it on a working basis, right? Okay, so these are the Opal apps that I've built so far. This is just kind of a time killer game, but the ones that I'm using for work are the image to MP4 converter. So this takes an image and turns it into a short 7-8 second video. Ghostwriter tool that'll research a topic and then write out various text on that topic. AI video generator tool. This is where you give it a product and give it an audience, and it'll develop an AI ad for that product. And image enhancer. You can take old images, pop it in, and it'll use AI to enhance and enlarge these images for further use, like in Canva or Creatify. Okay, so these mini apps are housed in Google Opal. Once I build them, they stay here, they live here for now, right? This is a brand new tool. This is new to everyone, right? But for now, they are housed here in Opal. I can make as many as I want, and there's a gallery to kind of get you started, right? So how I use these on a daily basis, again, I'm a digital advertiser and a web developer, so I need media sometimes. I'm, doing video productions for ads and social media and, business info videos, tutorials, that sort of thing, right? So how I get to these apps is, instead of like logging into Opal on this machine all the time, I have them set up on my link tree. So on my link tree, I've got everything that's important to me, or some of the media that I've developed, like books, some of my websites, affiliate storefronts, my own e-commerce platform, discounted offers, blogs, and lastly, web development tools. Now, my Linktree link is a link that I keep handy all the time. It's on all my socials, my YouTube channel. It's easy for me to get to. It's something that I use regularly. So I just pop on over to my Linktree and I link the Opal Mini AI app to my Linktree. So if I ever need a ghostwriter, boom, I've got one right here. AI image enhancer, and I can tweak and manage those mini apps to perform the way I want them to, which is super powerful, right? So in this demonstration, we're going to use the image to MP4 converter. So I'm going to go back over here, find it, image to 4-second video AI converter tool. As you can see, it pops right into the program on Opal. We're going to get started. Use your upload, use your static photograph. Okay, so I'm going to go grab a photograph from my computer. And that photograph is of food on the grill, right? It's a steak and some potatoes and some other vegetables on a flame grill. And it's just a static image. So we're going to go describe the desired motion and intensity. A steak sizzling on the grill as smoke rises from the coals. Steak sizzling on the grill as smoke rises from the coals. Smooth and in slow motion. Slow motion, you can do fast motion, all sorts of things. Added environmental effects, rain, sunlight, smoky. I think I misspelled that. Smoky. Yeah. There we go. So now it's going to go in and take the photo that I've plugged into the application, and it's going to convert that over into a video. This is great for ads. If I am working with a client and a client has a bunch of legacy media that they've approved of and used before, but they don't have any videos, or they haven't taken that next step into vertical videos or any sort of video ads at all, you can take a handful of their favorite images, right? The ones that, oh yeah, we love this, this represents the business, this is something we've used for a while, and generate a video on top of that, and then incorporate that video that they, or that scene they like so much, into future ads. It helps you stay on brand. Clients love it. They love to see that sort of technology at work when it comes to the media that they're showing their customers. Takes a few minutes to generate. Now this is all, you're perfectly fine to download this video after it's generated and then upload it into places like Canva or Creatify, somewhere where you're going to further edit that media. Boom, and there we go. So that looks good, right? Like, flames look good, smoke looks good, it's got a nice kind of pan to it. If you incorporate this as a 2 or 3 second clip into a video about a restaurant, no one is going to question whether this is AI generated or real, right? Like, they're just going to be like, oh, that looks fantastic. So pretty cool, right? And that's, you go up to the top and you, where is it? Here we go. Download file right here. So I can just click that. The download goes into my machine, and now I can use this video for my restaurant client or something like that. It's even kind of bubbling and dripping down here too, but it looks great. So thanks for checking out the video. That's just one of the countless things that you can do with Opal, right? You can tweak these so that they are specific to a brand or a business or a certain type of output based off of the media that you're creating. And like I said, the sky's the limit. Creativity wise, you can create as many apps as you want, and then build those out on your own Linktree, which Linktree's free. You can treat it like your own website almost, and put it on your link, and you can go back and use that link all the time. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. You all take care. Smash that subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions.